I think you forgot my bread.
Bread, $2 extra.
$2, but everyone in front of me got free bread.
You want bread?
Yes, please.
$3!
What?
No soup for you!
Caution is correct if you're the tech. Got a Mesa Boogie Mark V. Here at the bench, we're going handheld with the phone today. What's going on? Well, an interruption to the DC supply for V1 and V5. Why isn't V2 interrupted? We don't know. The fan is not turning on. All the same circuit, isn't it? And then also, have a look here. V3, a known good preamp tube, is not getting heater voltage. What is going on, Mesa? Come on, Randall. Well, is it the DC regulator? This LM2940, this 12-volt regulator here? Further troubleshooting needs to be done to determine exactly what's wrong, but a little suspicious. All right, I've isolated the fault down to some shorted diodes on a low voltage supply, which would explain why your fan wasn't able to power on, neither was your pilot light, which is LED driven. And that's it. So once I removed the 12-volt regulator from ground, it was no longer shorting. So all your diodes were in a shorted condition, and it took this trace out with it. So we'll have to do some repair. All right. These aren't going to burn out again. Got some upgraded 5408s sitting in there. Let's run a preliminary test. Now, let's find out if this is going to work. What I expect to hear is the fan kick on, some relays are clicking, and that lovely little violet pilot lamp to go off, or go on rather. Then we know we're in business. All right, let's get some juice a-flowing. Nice. Click clack. I like it. And we got that beautiful jewel light. Oh, it's blue on this one. It's nice. Fan is winding up. At 80 volts from the wall. Bring it up to 90. Holding steady. 100 volts. 110. Regulations at max on that 12-volt supply. Let's bring up to 120. Holding steady. Awesome. I think we're in business. Do some tests.